Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's solve for x from here. So we have the left hand side as x minus 2 on a fraction with numerator 1 and denominator 6. So this one is a fraction, and this over that is also a fraction, equals to 3 parenthesis x squared minus 1. Okay, now let's dissolve this. Now when you have a on 1 on b is the same as a times b over 1. So we can write this one as 6 times x minus 2 equals to 3 x squared minus 1. As simple as that. Now, because 3 can divide this one, I won't worry myself expanding to make it more complicated. So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have 2 out, x minus 2 equals to x squared minus 1. So from here we have 2x minus 4 equals to x squared minus 1. So let's arrange this as a quadratic. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. So x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So let's complete the square of this one. Okay, so to complete the square of this, x squared minus 2x, x squared minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So let's make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1. And it's 1 already, so we are free to go. The next thing is to take half of the coefficient of x, okay, all squared. So can do this, yes, but have x squared minus 2x, let's send this one there, minus 3. So we are going to add this result to both sides of the equation. So this side will be minus 1 all squared. So we add minus 1 all squared to both sides of the equation. X squared minus 2x plus minus 1 squared plus minus 1 squared. So this and that will be x minus 1 all squared, x minus 1 all squared equals to minus 3 plus 1 plus 1. So we have x minus 1 all squared minus 2. So we can remove the power by taking square root on both sides. So that will be x minus 1 equals to plus or minus square root of minus 2. Now since this one is sending us the complex numbers, let's recall that square root of minus 1 is the same as I. Okay, so we can say plus or minus 1 times 2, okay, and the same as minus 1 times 2, x minus 1 All right, x minus 1, x minus 1. So I'll do subtraction here by putting I here. That will be x minus 1 because a plus or minus with 2I. So x equals 1 plus or minus 2I. So that is the solution. All right, thanks for watching.